It is always a good idea to grow some plants in the backyard to improve the landscaping. What makes it better is you can improve your backyard landscaping while getting fruitful results. To make it tangible, you need to grow vegetables in your backyard. Growing vegetables allows you to have fresh, edible plants. Unfortunately, most veggies require a spacious garden to grow, which can be the biggest obstacle for your small backyard. To handle that challenge, here I've summed up and present 10 vegetable garden trellis ideas that will be the best solutions for your minute backyard. As usual, this list is researched and compiled for you by simphome.com. 10. Upcycle old wheels. Do you have a few old wheels in the garage? Don't let them overtake the valuable space in your garage, but don't throw them away either. Let's try to give them a second life by turning them into a chic trellis for your vegetable garden. Bonus, you can even make use of the wheels which are awkwardly misshapen due to dent. To make a trellis out of old wheels, you just need to install some wooden posts to support the wheels. Tie one wheel to another and tie all to the wooden support. Then put 1 or 2 potted vines near the wooden support. Train them to climb up the wheels and let them do the rest. 9. Simple wooden wire trellis. This is one of the most common trellis ideas used by many gardeners. Its simplicity and practicality suit any savvy gardener a lot. To make this trellis, you'll just need to install wooden posts in a raised bed. Add wires across the posts and secure them by twisting both ends to the wooden post. Besides using wire, you can also opt for threads and nails for a more effortless trellis. Once the trellis is up and installed perfectly, you may need to tie some young plants to the supports to encourage them to grow up in the right direction. 8. DIY Bike Rim Trellis. If you happen to have a couple of bike rims, don't throw them away because you can make a chic vegetable trellis with them. This vegetable trellis looks like a tube standing on a raised bed. Once your vegetables wrap around the wires completely, your trellis will look terrific. But first of all, you need to make the trellis. To make this trellis, you'll need 2 recycled bike rims, wire, garden twine, and upright metal bar. First, connect the bike rims together using the metal bar. Make sure one end of the bar is stuck in the ground. Then begin tying the wire or garden twine with one rim to the other tightly so that the structure won't come apart at the first blow of the wind. Next, place the plants on the base of each wire and you're good to go. 7. A vegetable archway idea. Take your vegetable trellis to the next level by incorporating an arch. An archway has never failed to improve any backyard landscaping. Not only does it make your backyard look more impressive, but it also adds more space for your vegetables to grow. You can invest in a ready-made arch or simply make this DIY arch. To make this trellis, you will need 2 4x16 cattle panels, 6 electric fence stakes, and twist ties. If you happen to have a spacious backyard, you can try making a large archway so that you can grow more veggies and adore the vivid tomatoes and grapes hanging over your head. 6. A-frame vegetable trellis. This A-frame trellis never gets old. It has been widely used by many avid gardeners to do vertical gardening. To make this trellis, cut 2 6-foot boards in half. Now you get 4 3-foot pieces. Then put together 2 of those 3-foot pieces and the other 2 6-foot boards so that you form a picture frame shape. Secure them using screws. Repeat these steps to get another picture frame. Next, cover one side of each frame using hardware cloth. Secure it using your staple gun. Repeat these steps for the other frame. Screw in 2 hinges at the top of the frame to form an A. Now it's time to make the feet pieces by cutting another 6-foot board in half. Then cut diagonally across the 3-foot piece to form 2 feet pieces. Last, screw the feet to the frame. 5. Bamboo and twine. Making a trellis from bamboo and twine will help you have a nest egg as the materials are inexpensive and easy to find. There are many ways to form a trellis for your vegetables using bamboo and twine. You can try creating a teepee by spacing 4 to 8 canes or bamboos at equal intervals around a circle marked on the ground. You can use a traditional trash can to mark the circle. Then tie the top of the canes or bamboos together using strings or wires. You can also make a long wall by arranging 2 lines of poles about a foot apart. Then tie the tops together. Place a stake on top of the poles to make them stable. Keep in mind that bamboo trellises can work well with pole and runner beans. They are not recommended for peas since the smooth surface gives a more difficult time for the peas to attach. 4. Colorful Obelisk Trellis. This obelisk will not only help your vegetables thrive well, but also add more style to your garden. To make these obelisks, you'll need some boards, screws, a weekend, and a little bit of elbow grease. More importantly, you need your creativity to do this job because you're going to paint them to jazz your garden up. 3. Crib trellis. Making a trellis from an old crib? Why not? You don't need to be an avid carpenter to make this trellis. You just need to find an old crib in a flea market, repaint it if necessary, then attach it on the fence or wall. You can also install stakes in the ground to hold the crib. 2. Crochet String Trellis Project Idea. This idea needs your skills in crocheting. It might look complicated, yet it can be fun as well. You just need to make a certain pattern you like, then attach it to the poles. Place the crochet trellis in your garden, and you'll get both trellis and art. YouTube it or ask your mom in case she already knows the best way to transfer her crochet knowledge. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. Lastly, number 1, inexpensive trellis project idea. Making a trellis doesn't have to be arduous. You can even use stakes and threads to make a very simple trellis. As a bonus, stakes provide built-in vertical hooks for vining veggies to grip a hold of. This image is self-explanatory, but if you still need more information, I welcome you to visit link pasted inside description area. So those are 10 vegetable garden trellis ideas that you can copy. They are easy to install and make a great trellis for your space-saving garden. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that SimpHome has to offer. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video. If you truly enjoy it, comment it or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.